Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download chess. So without any further ado, let's get started. Chess is a mobile game that provides an accessible and convenient way to enjoy the classic strategy game anytime, anywhere, offering various features. Now in order to download it, first of all go to Play Store. In the search bar type in chess. Now click on the app that you wanna download. Then tap on the install button. After the app has been installed, click on the play button in order to play the game. So that is how you can download chess. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down with any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.